Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, The Indian Mom's Kitchen. Today I brought you a recipe which is a classic Christmas recipe, the rose cookie or the achumurk or the achapam. But this is an easy version of the original recipe. This is made out of APF or maida flour and it is ready in 15 minutes. Before I begin the recipe, let me remind you I have got a Christmas playlist up on my channel, compiling all the different Christmas recipes that I have on the channel for you so that it is convenient for you to refer to. Please do go visit my channel. So let's begin today's recipe. Here I'm showing you my molds for the rose cookies. This is the old molds. This is nearly 60 years old. It's made out of iron. It is a bit difficult for the cookies to come off this mold, so I have bought a new one. This is a non-stick variety. This is excellently easy to use. So if you are in the market for buying a new one, I would recommend you go in for a non-stick one. Now for the rose cookie batter, I have taken 1 egg in a bowl. Added 1/4 cup of sugar to it. Mixed it till the sugar starts to melt. I've added 1/2 cup of coconut milk. You can also use normal dairy milk, but coconut milk gives a lovely flavor to the rose cookies. Mix well. Here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. If I had not added the egg, I wouldn't have added the essence. It's not necessary for these cookies. Then for added nutty flavor, a teaspoon of black sesame seeds. Even you can replace it with white sesame seeds. 1.5 cup of maida or APF flour. Now whisk this batter. To make this batter smooth, you can add water little by little. This batter should be semi-thick, not thick like idli batter, but at the same time should not be very thin and runny. The rose cookie batter is ready. I've heated up some oil in a pan for deep frying and have dipped my rose cookie mold in the oil while the oil is heating up. Once the oil has heated up well and so has the mold, I'm dipping the mold partially in the batter. Make sure that the batter doesn't go above the mold, otherwise the cookie won't come off the mold. Now dip the mold with the batter in the oil for around 20 seconds and then start shaking the mold so that the rose cookie comes out in the oil beautifully. Now repeat the process with another one. Dip the mold in partially, then dip the mold into the oil. And after 20 seconds, start shaking the mold. And here comes out the second rose cookie. And now fry these rose cookies on medium heat till golden brown on either side. Once golden brown, remove from oil and keep it to drain. When you keep it to drain, make sure that you are keeping it upside down so that the oil comes out properly. Your crispy, crumbly rose cookies are ready to be eaten. I hope you make this and enjoy this Christmas season. Wishing all of you a very Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, then please give it a big thumbs up. Also comment on and share this video among your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do so now and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching and have a great day.